everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing a ring pour or a spiral pour or a tree ring pour. I don't know, they have different names for the... So I'm going to be spinning it, so I've put it on a Lazy Susan. I don't know, we're going to give it a go. I am going to be randomly layering the colors into this big cup, and I just want to tell you, when you are pouring your paints out of the cup, the first colors in are the last colors out. Okay, think about that. If I put this in first, it's going to be down the bottom of the cup, and when I start pouring, that is going to be the last to come out. So when you are doing a spiral pour, what is in the middle of your pour are the colors that you want in the middle of your pour. So just, you know, before you start doing it, think about that. I do want to try something. Now, my paints are quite thick, straight out the bottle as I mix them, but I want to try and pour two colors, if I can get any out there, down the bottom, and I want them to stay separate, which they are doing. That's fine. I don't have a split cup. If I had a split cup, you know, I could do it that way. Nothing is coming out of that. Okay, so I've got that down. Two more colors, so I'll put some of that in there, and I'll put some of this in. I'm just trying to keep the colors all separate, and especially the colors at the bottom of this cup, because I want the middle of my painting to be quite colorful if I can. So I'm trying to keep the colors all separate, and I'm trying to do just small amounts of paint. When we get to the top of the painting, I mean the top of the cup, you know, I could make bigger layers because that's anyway going to be tilted off. So and like I said, the paints are a thicker consistency. They are as I mix them, and that is because with a ring pour, you know, same as the other pours I did, you want to be able to see the lines, patterns and designs in the painting. You want to be able to see that. So the paints need to be thicker so that they can hold their shape. So I have been really battling to be able to do a lot of my pours that I want to do, because I don't have the space. Okay, I'm currently in my office. I work from home. I've got a normal 9-to-5 job, but I work from home remotely, and this is my office where I work. So my desk is taken over by my work computer, and I still have all my art supplies in here, and you know, painting isn't the only thing that I've done, so I've got so many different things in this room from all the hobbies and things that I've had. The room is just overflowing with stuff, and so I'm really battling to have a place that I can go and do my paintings, and the most important thing, not worry about messing paint, because, you know, I don't own this house, I'm only renting, and it's a problem because this can be messy, you know. But I think I have found a solution to the problem. I think I have bought something When I say I think I've bought something, I hope I've bought something, and it's supposed to be delivered next weekend. So if it does, I'm not going to tell you, but if it does, I will show it to you. It's, you know, it's not great, but it should solve my problems that I have. And I will have a place that I can throw paint around, and it really doesn't matter. Okay, all right, that'll do. Now, let's go. So I've got my paints in the cup. Okay, all we have to do is slowly pour it out. These cups are so thin that they bend and buckle in your hand. So, right, we want to be making circles because it's a ring pour. So just go round and round and round and round. Try and stay in the middle of the canvas if you can. So just circles round and round and round and round and round. When you get to the end of the paint, just go slower. That didn't, and then I dropped. Not perfect at all, but let's see how it tilts, how it spins. Just need to move the paints down a tad. I definitely don't like the middle. Okay, I've just put a little bit more paint in here, and I just want to try, because this is beautiful. I love this, but that is, I mean, what, okay. So I just want to try and see if I can get myself a decent colorful spiral here in the middle. Okay, that's fine, that's going to tilt off anyway. That looks better, so let's see if I can spin that out. Yeah, that looks better. That looks better. Yes, I like it now. It is improving. If I can just move some of the paint down. I don't even know if it's moving, I can't see. But, and one last spin. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Just bubble over there, and a bubble over there. Yeah, I actually like it. It actually looks very nice. Here it is. Look at it. Oh my goodness, look at those colors. I mean, it is so pretty. Look at that. There are some metallics in here. The gold is shimmering. I hope you can see it. I can't see the camera, but anyway, look at that. Look at it. The sides are even colorful. I mean, this painting just blows my mind. So I'm definitely going to be doing more of these because it came out so beautifully and it was so much fun to do. So I will definitely be doing some more dips shortly. So thank you for joining me on this video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.